Alright, this is your Hollywood maintenance. I'm on the chiller. So it stopped on the circuit. I think the breaker in here is tripped. So I'm gonna loosen these real quick and open it up. You can do it while it's open. Okay, I got all these three loosened. Then down here, see this little notch right here? Get a smaller. You can stick a flathead screwdriver there and turn it so you can do it while it's open, and then it will open. There we go. See this one here? How it's halfway. It's stripped. What I'm gonna do, alarming, and I hit alarm, reset diagnostics, come over here, shut this off, and I'll turn it back on. And that's it. So reset this breaker. That's helpful. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.